In this video, we listed the 5 best circular saw on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. HYCHIKA 750W Circular Saw. The HYCHIKA CS 115 is a powerful 500W, 799W circular saw designed for home DIY use. With a 6.2 amps copper motor and 3,500 RPM high cutting speed, it can cut wood, plastic, gypsum board, PVC pipes, and ceramic tiles. The saw comes with 3 blades for different materials, a precise scale ruler for accurate cuts, and a dust collection system for a cleaner working environment. It also features 0 to 45 degrees bevel cutting, adjustable cutting depth, safety protection switch, and a rubber handle for reduced hand fatigue. The package includes the mini circular saw, 3 saw blades, vacuum cleaner adapter, dust exhaust pipe, hex wrench, and scale ruler. Number 2. VEVOR 4800W Wall Machine. The VEVOR wall groove cutting machine is a high-concerned chemical-free tool with a wattage of 4000-5999W and dimensions of 52 by 20 by 24 cm. It has a max cutting depth of 41 mm and a max cutting width of 42 mm, with a rated input power of 4800W. This circular saw type machine is suitable for cutting concrete, marble, granite, and lightweight bricks. It comes with a 1-year warranty and features an adjustable electric wall slotting design, infrared design, movable cover, and a water pump for a dust-free environment. The machine is designed for excellent portability and high efficiency, making it suitable for both home and industrial use. Number 3. BABEQ Brushless Saw. The BABEQ Brushless Reciprocating Saw is a multifunctional cordless electric saw designed for renovation teams. With a wattage of 500W, 799W and a brushless motor, this saw is suitable for wood, metal, and plastic pipe cutting. It has a no-load speed of 10,000 RPM and a max cutting width as per the picture. The saw is powered by a 20V battery, and it comes with options for 1 or 2 batteries. The saw can cut wood up to 100 mm deep, metal up to 20 mm deep, and plastic up to 50 mm deep. It includes for saw heads for wood cutting and metal cutting. The package includes the reciprocating saw, batteries, charger, and for saw blades. The saw is compact in size, allowing for cutting in tight spaces, and it features an anti-vibration handle to reduce user fatigue. It is compatible with Makita 18V batteries, making it a versatile and practical tool for various cutting applications. Number 4. Kamolee 7-inch Circular Saw. The Kamolee circular saw is a brushless motor type wood saw with a 7-inch blade diameter. It is powered by a battery and is not certified. The product is customized and originates from mainland China. Available in the color option of no battery, and the plug type of EU, it is priced at BDT7, 122.88 with a 73% discount. However, it cannot be shipped to Bangladesh. The Kamolee Tool Store, with 89.7% positive feedback and 2,925 followers, offers this product with safe and secure payment options. Number 5. Drillpro 18V Circular Saw. The Drillpro Circular Saw is a versatile and customizable power tool suitable for home DIY projects. With a wattage of 1000-1299W and a weight of 3.32 kilograms, this saw is powered by a battery source and has a blade diameter of 165 mm. It comes in 3 variations: brushless circular saw, blue, brushed circular saw, black, and brushed circular saw, blue, each with different motor types and cutting specifications. The saw is compatible with Makita 18V batteries and can be used for cutting wood, PVC, MDF, plywood, stone, and ceramic tiles. It features adjustable bevel cutting angles, manual cut depth adjustment, and a solid metal guide plate for precise cutting. Additionally, the soft rubber handle provides comfortable operation and better control during use.